Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to use the Snowball versus the Avalanche method in Bright. Bright supports both the Snowball and the Avalanche method, two powerful strategies to paying off debts. With the Snowball method, you focus on paying off the cards with the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on the rest. It's great for building motivation with quick wins. With the Avalanche method, you target the cards with the highest interest rates first, which of course saves more money over time by reducing interest costs. Bright automatically analyzes your cards and apply either strategies based on, of course, your preference. Just choose your method in the settings and Bright will handle the rest, making automatic payments in the smallest order. Whether you want momentum or maximum savings, Bright helps you to stay consistent and makes debt free feel achievable. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.